What's up, y'all? What's poppin'? This dude about to react to this video by Cabron. This is Flight Reacts making random noises. Part dos. I did the first part and I was, very, very taken aback in that video. I just did not expect, some of the noises that I heard. I was just, thrown off. I knew he would be doing his little, but I didn't think he was about to be like, making those wild animal noises like he was making. Like I was confused, but now I know what to expect, so I'm prepared. This is a part 2. I don't know if he's gonna be making more of the same noises or like different animal noises. I'm not sure, but I'm prepared for you, Flight. Let's see these weird noises you're making now. Let's watch. He sound like he getting possessed. Nah. He reacted to this on the side. I gotta hear what he say. Like, I need to know what is his explanation for this. Hold up. I'm about to react to him reacting to this because I need to know why he says that he makes these noises. I gotta hear this.
What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team, stand up! Hey man, we got Flight Reacts making random noises part 2. Let's check it out. The fuck? Am I a dog, bro?
You asking us. You let us know.
What the hell? What language you speaking?
I do that too. Okay, yeah, this is extra. Fly, explain, bruh.
What the fuck, yo?
Explain, nigga. Do he even remember he did this shit?
Y'all hear that? Bro, what the fuck?
Why you acting like you don't? He acting like he don't even understand what's happening.
Hey man, we got this choice. This is
He is a troll.
What the fuck, yo? Change the winter, fall, winter, and
I'm spitting on the screen and shit.
Why did you put that? It's the last time I paused the video, by the way. Bro, remember earlier I said I was just so playing the early three. Bro, what the?
Fly, explain yourself. Why he just sit there?
You knew what it meant, that's why I was laughing. Like, look at this.
You tell us what the fuck. I guess he ain't got no explanation. I expected him to.
Bro, what the hell? Just to avoid serving the female war. I'm not doing that shit!
these stunts allegedly worked.
Hey, that's what I'm man. That's you, man. Coming out of the road, man.
He's a troll. He didn't explain shit. I really thought he was gonna explain it and be like, hey, y'all just be playing. Like, I'm just being silly. Or I'll be high sometimes, so I don't even remember half the shit. Like, I thought he was gonna say something, but no, he just accepting this as a way of life. But a couple times he seemed confused himself. He was like, what the fuck? Like, he don't even recall him acting like this. But yeah, he's a troll. This is verified everything for me. Thanks for it. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all thought though. Let me know what other videos you want me to react to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.